Well, today we're at Filey Dams Nature Reserve. Good afternoon, folks. And there we are at Filey Dams Nature Reserve. And we're just walking through the car park. There's one sign here. There's quite a lot to read there. Yorkshire Wildlife Trust, Filey Nature Reserves. We try and come here every time we come to the caravan. It's quite pleasant. I'm not going to the hide because it's quite busy, so I'll just show you from here. Really pleasant, especially today with it being nice and sunny. It's really nice. And there Glenn is trying to use my camera, take some pictures of some herons. There's actually quite a lot of nest boxes being put up here. There's one there. There's one there. It's a few years ago when we were in Filey and we spotted a sign saying advertising this place. And actually it's in the middle of a, well, not in the middle of a housing estate, but it's the end of a housing estate. There's quite a few more boxes. I'd like to say how many there are, but certainly quite a lot. We're not avid bird watchers, but we do enjoy watching the birds and taking photographs of them. I'll just take you to this hide. This is fairly recent, this one. I don't know if there's anybody in here today. There's no one in the side today. Oh yes, it's a fairly newish hide, this. All new stuff. There's bird identification charts for people like us who don't know it very well. Well, we just have another wander round. Well, today is Wednesday the 7th of September, and when we checked the forecast before we came to the caravan, we're supposed to be having rain. But we had a thunderstorm last night, but it's been absolutely gorgeous today. It's 10 to 3 and we've had sunshine all day, so we're not complaining. And how nice is this? Nice and peaceful and quiet. Right, we're on our way back from that hide now. Have a walk back to the car and nip back to the caravan. Butterfly there, Glenn. So that is Filey Dams, folks. Just a short little film. So we'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.